Hydrocarbon exploration, also known as oil and gas exploration, is the process of searching for and identifying potential underground or underwater oil and gas deposits. It involves a variety of techniques aimed at locating areas that are likely to contain economically possible hydrocarbon resources. The exploration process typically begins with the geological studies and analysis of existing data to identify areas with the potential for hydrocarbon accumulations. This includes studying the underlying rock formations, analyzing seismic data, and examining geological structure such as fault lines and salt domes that could trap hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon exploration uses various methods and technologies to identify and evaluate potential oil and gas resources. Here are some commonly used methods. Seismic surveys. Seismic surveys are widely used in hydrocarbon exploration. They involve generating sound waves and recording their reflections to create detailed image of subsurface rock layers. By analyzing these images, potential hydrocarbon basin can be identified. Gravity and magnetic surveys. Gravity and magnetic surveys measure variations in the Earth's gravitational and magnetic field caused by variations in subsurface rock density and magnetism. These surveys can help identifying potential structure traps and sedimentary basins that may contain oil and gas accumulations. Electromagnetic survey. EM surveys measure the electrical conductivity of subsurface rocks. Hydrocarbons have different electrical properties than surrounding rocks, and EM surveys can detect these differences. This method is particularly useful in offshore exploration. Well logging. Well logging involves lowering instruments into a drilled well to measure various properties of the surrounding rocks and fluids. These measurements provide valuable information about the rock type, porosity, permeability, and fluid content, helping to evaluate the potential for hydrocarbon resources. Geochemical analysis. Geochemical analysis involves studying the chemical composition of surface rocks, soil, and water to identify anomalies that may indicate the presence of the hydrocarbons. Remote sensing. Remote sensing methods use satellite imagery or above-ground photography to identify surface features associated with hydrocarbon accumulations, such as oil seeps, surface structures, or vegetation anomalies. These techniques provide a broad overview of large explorations area. It's important to note that the hydrocarbon exploration often combines multiple methods and technologies to increase the chance of success. Each method has its strengths and limitations, and the efficiency can vary depending on the geological characteristics of the exploration area.